Hello there, this is Anthony Johnson, and I'm back to you with another ComeSQL with me. So what we have here on the screen is a SSMS environment. You see it up here on the screen, Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS. So the premise of this video will be, once you get into the environment, like how to navigate through the environment. I'm gonna show you a couple things this video, and then the following videos will be more so SSMS based. The first one was, if you didn't catch it, go back and check that out. Throw out there to about that. Like this, the second, you have the database engine, but here our server name, and then we also have the option is username. We create a username and a password for in order for you to log in and access your server, or you can do Windows authentication, which is like a hybrid. You can use your SQL server, and a lot of environments are set up in Windows authentication. Because typically you'll go through a Azure like identity directory. So if it's not lined up, you won't have access. So typically it's on Windows authentication. Sometimes it's not. So we're going to connect. Let's give it a second buffer. Bases are security, server objects, replication, or polybase, our availability, our net server agent, which is used to automate tasks. You see it has the red. If you look closer, it's actually a square, and it signifies that it's not operating. We can click that and enable it, but that's not the premise of this video. So we're going to explore the AdventureWorks database. AdventureWorks is one of the first databases you work on. It's different years and stuff like that. I think it's 2017, 2012, 2017, 2019. It could be another updated version, but we're gonna go here. So one thing we do in the real world, you right click here, you go to filter here, comes up, and once it actually loads, we have our database owner. So if our schema essentially the name of the database and the creation date you can filter by. We're actually going to filter. And as you can see, we don't have anything under that. Just right click, go back to filter. And that's what it is. I actually put it under owner, which is the schema. If there is an owner, like DBO is the database. So we need the actual name of the database, which is AdventureWorks. And this is a contains, so it's more lenient on spelling. I'll just say adventure. Okay, and as you can see, I have this machine. I have 3 versions of Adventure for. Then we have 2012 and 2017 versions of AdventureWorks. So that is how you filter your databases. Now let's go here. We can actually expand here. We're not just focused on 2012. You expand there, and then you can see your various options. You have your tables, you have your views, you have your synonyms. But typically, these 3 folders here are where's the bread and butter truly. We pop this open, give us a few tables in AdventureWorks. So and this is why we filter, because of that very nature there. Even if you have just a piece of the name of the object that you're filtering, it's very handy, like a filter tool. And it's this buffers. I'm sure we'll be able to see it. Okay, as you see, the scroll bar is getting smaller, and quite a few tables here. And there, you see the schema because of the dot. So the address table belongs to the person schema. So this is how you open up the tables. Address, like the person address table. We'll filter it. I'll just show you how to filter that owner. Perhaps I was incorrect about the when I say owner in regards to the database, because I don't believe a schema can own a database, because schemas are containers essentially within a database. So apologize for those incorrections, but we want the address table. We'll type in address, and schema is going to be person, because if you can look here, well, I can't open it because of this. And for it may still be DBO. Okay, so hit refresh just for fun. Give me a second. I will be acquiring a new laptop here soon, so stay on free. We'll come here for the store procedures. This is, I guess I could demonstration. Okay, finally. Okay, as you can see, we have them for finally buffering. And we were pretty much on all these folders. Well, I know for sure the 3 folders that I mentioned earlier. They can be called folders or directories. They're integer. They all belong to schemas. Store products. We have our functions. We have our types, rules, things like that. Within this folder, typically, this is going to be your bread and butter. So click on Start Procedure, expand that. And this is for the person that's just getting used to or learning SSMS for the first time. Just want to show you guys how to maneuver through the environment. So we have this. You can go to Script Store Procedure as and click on this, and then you'll have a representation of what the store procedure is actually doing. So you can do some backtracking and some detective work in regards to that. You can also get the dependencies, what's feeding the store prep, what tables it's using, and a myriad of things like that. Okay, so that's good. Achieve this as well. But let's just look at a couple different options. Or better yet, I'm just going to show you guys how to get a little bit more information. The next video, that would be more so explaining the banner and the things that we have up top here. Okay, I'm just trying to open a new instance. It's taking quite a while. Better yet, we're going to cut it off here. In the next video, I will show you guys how to do what we did over in Object Explorer. So I hope you guys found this helpful. I hope you guys have a blessed day, and bye-bye.